To link an object and effectively import it into your current project from another file, go to File, then select Link. Locate the file that you want to link from. I have an example here. Then choose the data type for what you want to import. We're going to go with Object. From this list, I'm going to choose Cone and select Link. This will bring in the cone object that I created from a separate blend file. If I want to be able to manipulate the transforms of a linked object, I can create a library override. For example, go to Object, Library Override, and then select Make. Now I should be able to grab, rotate, and scale the object that I imported from another file.